I want you to help me welcome Nicole Binion tonight. Come on. There's a river whose streams make glad the city of our God. There is a river whose streams make glad the city of our God. So I will rejoice, I will rejoice and be glad. My depressed days are over. I will. I made up my mind. I will. I'm gonna be glad. Come on, Nicole.
'Cause there is a fountain,
Oh my,
full of grace,
oh my.
that flows from Emmanuel's veins. Oh yes it does.
Oh my.
There is a fountain so full of grace that flows from my Savior's veins. See, I know 'cause it came and it healed me. It came and refreshed me. It came and washed my sins away.
So I will rejoice. I will rejoice and be glad.
Oh yeah.
I will rejoice. I will rejoice and be glad. I need somebody to get up on your feet and say that. Come on. I will rejoice. I will rejoice and be glad.
You've been so good, Jesus.
I will rejoice. I will rejoice and be
There is a fountain